In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hootsuite account. As we dive into the digital age, social media management becomes increasingly crucial for individuals and businesses aiming to expand their digital footprint. Hootsuite, a leading platform in social media management, allows users to schedule posts, track the performance of their content, and manage all their social media channels from one dashboard. Let's walk through step by step how you can set up your own Hootsuite account. Our journey begins by navigating to the Hootsuite website. Once there, you're greeted by a vibrant page filled with insights into what Hootsuite offers. To get started, locate the Start Your Free Trial button. This is your gateway to exploring Hootsuite's multitude of features without commitment. Pressing this button is the first step toward unlocking Hootsuite's potential for your social media strategy. Following your click, you'll be prompted to select a plan to trial. Hootsuite cleverly offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets, but for most new users, the Start Your Free 30-day trial of the professional plan is the recommended starting point. This trial offers a comprehensive look at Hootsuite's capabilities without having to spend a dime up front. It's an excellent opportunity to get acquainted with the platform and determine whether it aligns with your social media goals. Once you've decided on a plan, the real action begins. You'll be directed to a page where you must input your personal information, starting with your full name. This step is straightforward but crucial. Ensure your name is accurately entered, as it could be used for account verification purposes or correspondence. Next up, you'll need to provide a business email address. This should be an active email that you check regularly. Communications from Hootsuite, including account verification, notifications, and updates, will arrive at this address. It's also worth mentioning that using a business email links your Hootsuite account more closely with your professional or business identity, which can be useful for branding and recognition purposes. Following your email input, it's time to establish a password. When creating your password, remember that strength and security are paramount. A robust password includes a mix of characters, numbers, and symbols, and is your first line of defense in safeguarding your social media assets on Hootsuite. Finally, the culmination of this process is upon us. You'll see a Create My Account button. This is it, the final step. By clicking this button, you're not just creating an account, you're opening the door to a new realm of social media management. Upon account creation, you'll be ushered into the Hootsuite dashboard, your new command center for all things social media. From here, you can begin exploring, setting up your social media profiles, and scheduling your first posts. Hootsuite offers extensive resources and guides to help new users navigate their platform, so don't hesitate to use them. It's worth noting that even though today's focus was on starting with a free trial, Hootsuite's flexible plans allow you to adapt your account as your needs evolve. You can always upgrade, downgrade, or even cancel your subscription based on your experience and requirements. In conclusion, setting up a Hootsuite account is a straightforward process that unlocks a world of possibilities for managing your social media presence. From scheduling posts in advance to receiving comprehensive analytics about your social media performance, Hootsuite provides tools that are invaluable for anyone looking to streamline their social media strategy. So why wait? Start your journey with Hootsuite today and take the first step towards social media mastery. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful guides and tips. Happy posting!